Hello. In this video we will learn what are the masculine, feminine, and neutral vowels, as well as pronouncing the long and the mixed vowel sounds. Mongolian vowels are either masculine, feminine, or neutral. Masculine vowels, or masculine vowels are pronounced back at the throat. They are a, o, ya, yo, yu, if it's followed by o, and ui or 61e. Feminine vowels or imikshik are pronounced at the front of the mouth, and they are e, u, ye, yu if followed by u. Neutral vowel or sarmak ikshik. There is only one vowel that belongs to this category. It's e. E is a neutral vowel because it can go in both feminine and masculine vowel containing words. Long and mixed vowel sounds. Urt, ba, hos ikshik. Vowels can be either short, long, or mixed. On the left hand, we have all of our masculine vowel variations, and on our right hand, we have all our feminine vowel variations, and on the bottom of that, we have E, which is the only neutral vowel. Mixed vowels have half E attached at the end of the vowel, and ya, yo, yu, o, ye do not have this mixed combination. Okay, let's pronounce a, e, o, e, o, ui, ya, yo, yu, e, o, u, ui, ye, yu, e. Okay, so this covers our vowel classifications and different combinations of vowel sounds. See you next time. Bye.
Hongor, setgel, Эжий